Hello students, myself Nidhi Shakarya. Today I am conducting the session number 2 for subject Math, grade 4, chapter number 1, large numbers. Now, you have already learned up to 4-digit numbers in your previous grade. So, the greatest 4-digit number will have the digit 9 in all the 4 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. And the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Now, when we add 1 to this number, then we get our first and the smallest 5-digit number. So let us carry out the addition operation. 9999. Add 1. Let us note down the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, starting from the ones place, 9 add 1 is equals to 10. So 0 and 1 carry over to the tens place. 1 add 9 equals to 10. So 0, 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Then 100 add 9 hundreds equal to 10 hundreds. And 10 hundreds make 1000 and 0 hundred. So 0 in the hundreds column and 1 carry over to the thousands column. Then 1000 add 9 thousands equal to 10 thousands. So we will write 10 over here such that 0 comes exactly under the thousands column. And 1 and 1 under the fifth column from the right side. Now this fifth place from the right side is known as 10,000s place. So we write it as TTH, 10,000. So this is the 10,000s place and we will write 1 exactly under 10,000s place. Now, so this is the smallest 5-digit number and it is read as 10,000. We write the number name as 10,000. Now students, this is the place value chart for 5-digit numbers. Now this place value chart has a new place, the fifth place from the right side, which is 10,000s place. This place value chart for 5-digit numbers is divided into 2 periods, ones period and thousands period. And the places ones, tens and hundreds belong to the ones period and the places thousands and 10,000s belong to the thousands period. Now students, you already know that 10 ones equal to 110. Then 10 tens equal to 100. Then 10 hundreds equal to 1000. Now in the same manner, 10 thousands equal to 110,000. 10 thousands equal to 110,000. Now when we write a 5-digit number like this, 10,000, then this comma separates the ones period and the thousands period. Now students, we know that the face value of any digit in a number is equal to the digit itself. So over here in this 5-digit number, the face value of 2 is equal to 2. The face value of digit 9 is equal to 9. The face value does not depend upon the position of the digit. So if I write this number, then the face value of digit 2 at 10,000s place is also equal to 2. It does not depend upon the position of the digit. Now, the place value of a digit in a number depends upon the position or the place of the digit in the number. And the place value of a digit is equal to the digit multiplied by the value of its place in the number. So let us take an example of this 5-digit number which is written in this place value chart, and starting from 1's place, 2's place value is equals to 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. Then place value of 7, which is at 10's place, is equals to 7 multiplied by 10, which is 70. Then place value of 4 at 100's place is equals to 4 multiplied by 100, which is 400. Then place value of 9 is equals to 9 multiplied by 1000, which is equals to 9000. And place value of 3, which is at 10,000th place, is equal to 3 multiplied by 10,000, which is equals to 30,000. Now, if we see over here, this is the value of 1's place. Then 10 is the value of 10's place. 100 is the value of 100's place. Then 1000 is the value of 1000's place. And 10,000 is the value of 10,000's place. So, the value of any place is equal to 10 times the place immediate to its right. So, 10 is 10 times that of 1. Then value of 100's place. Again, it is 10 times value of 10's place. Right? This is 100, which is 10 times of 10. Then value of 1000's place is again 10 times of the value of 100's place. And then over here again adding one more 0, 10,000 is 10 times that of 1000. Now students, the expanded form of a number is equal to the sum of the place values of its digits. So taking this same example, the expanded form of this number will be 3 10,000s, add 9 thousands, add 4 hundreds, add 7 tens, add 2 ones. So this is the expanded form in words, and this is the expanded form in the form of sum of figures or the numerals. So place values we have already noted down over here. So expanded form will be 30,000, add 9,000, add 400, add 70, add 2. Now let us solve example 1 from the textbook. So here in example 1, we have to write the place value of each digit of this number, and also we have to write its expanded form. So I have already noted down the number in the place value chart. Now let us find the place value of each of the digits. Starting from 1's place, place value of 6 will be equal to 6 multiplied by 1. So 6. Then place value of 3 at 10's place will be 3 multiplied by 10. So 30. Then place value of 7 at 100's place will be 7 multiplied by 100. So it will be 700. Then place value of digit 1 at 1000's place will be 1 multiplied by 1000. So place value of 1 will be 1000. Then place value of 5 at 10,000's place will be 5 multiplied by 10,000 equals to 50,000. Now, the expanded form of this number in words will be equal to 5 10,000s, add 1,000, add 700s, add 3 tens, add 6 ones. And expanded form of the number in the form of sum of figures will be 50,000, add 1,000, add 700, add 30, add 6. Now students, let us see the rules for reading and writing large numbers. So, we have to write the number in the place value chart. Taking the number from example 1, we have written it in the place value chart. Now, you have to use comma to separate the periods. So, when we write the number in figures, we have to separate the ones and thousands period using the comma. Then read the number formed by the digits in the highest period, followed by the name of the period in singular. Over here, the highest period is thousands period. So, what is the number formed by the thousands period? This is the number. So, this is 51. Right? So we will write it in the form of words as 51,000 because followed by the name of the period in singular. So name of the period is thousands, but in singular we will write 1000. So 51,000. Then we have to move to the next period. Now next period is ones period. Right? Looking at this rule, in ones period, just read or write the number. Do not read or write the name of the ones period. Over here in thousands period, how we write the period's name? In ones period, we do not have to write the name of ones period. We do not have to mention ones in the number name. So we just have to read this number. Now we already know how to read a 3-digit number. So 736. 736. Now, if a period has zeros at all the places, skip that period. So, if the number was like this, then it has 0 in all the 3 places of ones period. So, the number name for this numeral will be 51,000. We will skip the ones period. Now students, let us read and write another 5-digit number. So we have written the number in the place value chart and written in the form of numeral along with the comma to separate the ones and thousands period. Now reading the number name for this numeral starting from the highest period. First reading this number, so 35, followed by the name of the period in singular form, so 35,000. Then we will read this number, but we will not mention the name of ones period. So 890, right? So 35,890. So now students, let us look at example number 2. We have to show this number on the place value chart and write it using commas. Also, we have to write it in words and read it aloud. So this is written in the place value chart with ones and thousands period and the places. Then we have written it using the comma to separate the ones and thousands period. Now, to write it in the form of words, we start from the thousands period. So, starting from the thousands period, 73,847. And don't forget the hyphen over here while writing 73 and 47. Now let us study about 6-digit numbers. So, the number 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Now, adding 1 to this greatest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit number. So, over here, when we add 9 10,000s and 1 10,000, we get 10 10,000s. So, here we will write 0 exactly under the 10,000s column and 1 exactly at the 6th place from the right side. And this place is known as lakhs place. So, we show it as L for lakhs. And this number is read as 1 lakh, and this is the smallest 6-digit number. Now, this is the place value chart of a 6-digit number. So, this has another period, lakhs period, along with the ones and thousands periods. And lakhs period will have the 6th place, that is lakhs place. And the number 1 lakh will have 2 commas separating the ones, thousands and lakhs periods. Now, let us solve example 3. We have to write these numbers in the form of words. So, which will help us to write the name in words. Then, starting from the highest period, 4 lakh, then 25,000 because it is the thousands period. Then, 673. Next number, starting from the lakhs period, 6 lakh. Now we have 0 at 10,000 place, right? So, this number is 7. So, 7 followed by the name of the period, which is thousands period. So, 7,530. Now, this number we write as 9 lakh. Now, skipping this period because we have 0 at both the places of thousands period, and we will write directly 20. So 9 lakh 20. Now in example 4, you have to write place value of each digit of this number and also write its expanded form. So first we should write this number in the place value chart, and then starting from ones place we have 3 ones, which is equals to 3, then we have 8 tens, which is equals to 80, then we have 100, then we have 6 thousands, which is equals to 6 followed by 3 zeros, then we have 5 ten thousands. So 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 and 50,000. So 5 10,000s equal to 50,000. 5 followed by 4 zeros. Then 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. 4 followed by 5 zeros. And using 2 commas to separate the ones, thousands and lakhs periods. Now the expanded form of this number is the sum of the place values of each of the digit. So we should always begin from the leftmost digit. Now in the form of words, the expanded form will be 4 lakhs add 5 ten thousands add 6 thousands add 100 add 8 tens add 3 ones. And in the form of sum of numerals, it will be 4 lakh add 50,000 add 6,000 add 100 add 80 add 3. Now in the fifth example, we have to show this number in the place value chart, and we have to write it using the commas and also in the form of words, and we have to read it aloud. So always while writing the place value chart, start from the rightmost digit. So starting from the ones place, we write this number in the place value chart with the ones, thousands, lakhs, periods and ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, places. Now this numeral will have 2 commas separating the ones, thousands and lakhs periods. And in the form of words, we write it as beginning from the highest period. So 4 lakh, then 89,000 and 215. Let us solve. Now students, you have to solve exercise 1.1 as homework in your notebooks. So let us solve 1 sub question for each main question. So in the first question, you have to match the numbers with their number names. So you have to write the number and then put a hyphen and write the correct number name along with the correct option. So this number is 73,604 and it is the 4th option. So I have written 4th option along with the correct name. Like that you have to solve the remaining sub questions. Now in second question, you have to place the commas according to the periods and then write the number names for the numerals given. So you can note down the places above each digit. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now we know that ones period has ones, tens and hundreds places. So we will put comma over here, separating the ones and the thousands periods. Then writing the number name starting from the highest period. So 64,580. Then now third question, read aloud the following numbers and write in figures. So you have to read this number name and write the numeral for it. So 87,000. So I will write 87 and put a comma because thousands period. Then 264. So 264. Now in the fourth question, we have to write the place value of digit 8 in each of the given numbers. So the first one, digit 8 is at ones, tens and hundreds place. So place value of digit 8 is equal to 8, the digit multiplied by the value of its position, which is 100. So 8 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 800. So place value of digit 8 in this number is 800. Now in the fifth question, we have to fill in the blanks. The numeral is given and we have to complete the expanded form of the numeral. So over here, you should note down the places above each digit. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s place. Now, the lakhs place does not have any digit. So over here we will write 0 lakhs. Then dash 10,000s. So how many 10,000s? 7. So we will write 7 over here. And in the same manner we will complete the expanded form. Now you have to finish this exercise 1.1 as homework in your notebook. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep safe.